So in this video I'm gonna talk about what is search arbitrage and can you really make money with it. So as some of you may have seen this type of feeds, and this is called an AFD feeds. And just to give you an example, or just to give you an concept of search arbitrage, we have published a content on it, a detailed content on it. You can check it out. I will put the link in the description. The main concept is buying traffic from ad networks in a lower price and selling them to some special feeds at a higher price. So the price difference in between them is our profit. So like we buy traffic from Meta, Taboola, MGID, Outbrain, Zemanta DSP, etc. And then we redirect those users to a special feed or search feeds where ads, Google ads shows up. So if you use Google AFD feeds, then Google ads will show up, or there is Bing ads or Yahoo feeds also available. We take users from Facebook ad through Facebook ad, and it will cost us 0.12 cents, and then when they click on the feed ads we get 0.15 cents. So in between, the 3 cents is our profit. This is an example, this is not a real number. So this is a simple way to understand what search arbitrage is, but there is many more thing in this industry. So let's talk about another important thing, which is the flow. There is two types of flow available in this search arbitrage industry. One is one-click flow and the another is two-click flow. So now let's talk about one-click flow. In one-click flow, when people click on the ad creatives links, they will go to a search results page like this, and they will find some ads related to this keyword. So when they will click on any of these results, they will go to the advertisers page. So this is called a one-click flow. User clicks on the link, they came up here, and if they click any of the links, these are the advertisers website. And now let's talk about two-click flow. So whenever users click on the ads, they will come on a landing page or a lander where keywords will appear, and whenever they click any of the keywords, they will find the advertiser or the advertising website which are currently running ads. So when people will click visit website, they will go to the advertisers website or page. So this is called a two-click flow, and this is called a one-click flow. So now let's talk about which ad networks you can use to buy traffic, or we are using to buy traffic. So Facebook is one of the most used platform to buy traffic for search arbitrage. We are also using Facebook to buy traffic. We are using Taboola, Outbrain, Zemanta, MGID, Ref Content, TikTok, and Google. From these platforms, you can buy traffic for your search feed. There are many more traffic sources, but you have to keep in mind that the traffic quality should be good. If you are planning to run pop under ads and take those traffic to search feeds, then you may get in a big trouble. So now let's talk about the search feed providers. So here are some of the providers that provide search feeds: System1, Tonic, Ads.com, Sedo. These four are some of the most popular search feed providers. So now, after talking about the feed providers, let's know, can you really make money with search arbitrage? And the simple answer is yes, because we have spent a lot of money in this industry. In the past 90 days, we have spent more than $1.6 million in this search arbitrage industry, and at the end, we have gotten some good ROIs. So if we can make money with search arbitrage, then you might also. So now let's talk about how you can start your own search arbitrage business. Starting your own search arbitrage business is difficult because not every people get the access of search feeds. So search for the people or companies who already have the access of search feeds and work with them and know the full process and concept of search arbitrage. If you want to learn how to do search arbitrage business, we are launching a search arbitrage course where you can learn from the basics to advance. Stay tuned with us because there will be many more helpful content in this channel. And in the next video, I will share some more information about search arbitrage.